Hello YouTube, welcome to Cooking for Fun, episode 1. We are making Achiote Annatto smoked turkey wings. I've never used this before, I'm very excited to use it. It says you can just mix it with oil and or vinegar, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Using apple cider vinegar. And olive oil. Now that we have that all combined, I'm going to pour it over 4 turkey wings inside gallon-sized bags and let it sit overnight. Tomorrow, I will smoke them on the grill. Alright everyone, it's the next day and I have my turkey wings on the grill ready to be smoked. I've also lost my cameraman, which is why I'm doing everything myself right now. And our coals are ready to put on here. Alright, now for smoking, I have some hickory chunks and chips. The chips will burn fast and the chunks will be a longer burn. All I did to prep the grill was spread it down with some canola spray and make sure it was clean. I'm gonna open this right here all the way because I'm smoking it and it's gonna be a long time. I don't want it to overheat and be cooked in 30 minutes and it still has a couple of hours left to get it some nice smoke flavor going on. Alright everyone, it's been about 5 hours and all I've done in that time is add a little more charcoal, add a little more wood chips, and rotate the wings, flip them over. Now the moment of truth, you get to see these beautiful things. Oh yeah. Look at those beauties. Now I'm sure you're thinking, well, sure they look good, but how do we know they're done? Well, you're gonna take its temperature. Got my probe thermometer right here. Stick it in the biggest wing here. Alright, it topped out at 151, which is fine. We'll let it carry over those last few degrees. And we'll be back for a taste test then. And finally, here's a taste test, see how we did. And Achiote Annatto smoked turkey wings. They're good. They're strong smoky flavor, as expected. They're not as spicy as I would have thought. Kind of disappointed that they're not spicier, but it's very good. You should try it out. And that concludes the first episode ever of Cooking for Fun. I'll see you next time.